Hi, it's Miss Reese, and today in class we're going to be starting checkpoint 1, explaining a science mystery. So you have chosen to explain the scientific mystery of the mysterious box. So here's my mysterious box. As you can see, just a plain black box. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little tour. Please go ahead and write down your observations. So here's one side. It's a regular box. Moving to the second side. Again. Continues. Here's the third side. My final side. So you should be writing down your observations in your notes. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little tour of the top and the bottom. Okay, so here's the top. As you can see, still just a plain old box, but in the center I've got a hole cut out and there's a funnel. And then for the bottom, there's another funnel. And it is standing on some legs. So what's going to happen is I am going to get water in the speaker. I'm going to go ahead and pour it into the top. And I'm going to let you guys observe what happens as it comes out. So here I go, getting my water. I'm going to go ahead and leave the camera right here so you can view what's happening below, but I'm going to go ahead and pour this through the top. So I'm going to climb up here, and I'm going to go ahead and pour, again, plain old tap water in through the top funnel. Please watch what happens below and record your observations. Okay, here we go. Alright, so this is the result. I poured plain tap water in and plain tap water came out. Go ahead and record your observations of what happened. And I want you to go ahead and also take a guess. What do you think the inside of this mysterious box could look like? Remembering there's a funnel at the top. There's a funnel at the bottom, and when I poured this plain tap water in, this plain tap water came out. So record your observations, then infer what you think the inside of the box looks like. And while you do that, I'm going to pour this water out. I'm going to place a new clean beaker below. And I'm going to pour this plain tap water in through the top one more time. And I want you to observe what happens below and record your observations. So here I go. Plain tap water in. Watch what happens below. Okay, so as you can see, plain old tap water, I poured it in, but now what seems to be coming out is red tap water. So go ahead and record your observations of what's happening. And I want you to take a second and think about the first question. What does the inside of the mystery box look like? Now, do you think it looks different now that I have showed you that it comes out red? What could the inside of the box look like? Make your inference in your notes. And while you do that, I'm gonna go ahead and fill up more tap water. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna just set it aside for now. I'm gonna add a new clean beaker below. So when you're finished making your observations, now I'm gonna take this plain tap water and I'm gonna pour it into the top one more time, and I want you to observe what happens below. Alright, here I go, pouring regular plain old tap water in. Watch what happens below. Okay, so plain tap water in. The results this time, it's a bluish color. So how is it possible that the first time I poured plain tap water in, plain tap water came out? The second time, red tap water came out, and the next time, blue tap water. Make your observations in your notes and revise what you think the mystery box looks like now. And while you do that, I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to place a clean beaker in one more time. And I'm going to go ahead and pour this plain tap water through the mystery box one more time. Alright, so here I go, pouring plain tap water in. Watch what comes out, make your observations. Okay, so I just poured plain tap water in, but this time nothing came out. There is a little bit of blue water in here, but that's not from what I just did. That was a little bit left over from the last part that we did. So nothing came out. And I know you can't see the top of the box, but I promise you, I was pouring it in the whole time. You could see little water droplets. I don't know if you were paying close attention, but you could actually hear the water moving through the box. So one last time, I want you to record your observations. I poured plain tap water in. Nothing came out. I'm going to show you the final results one more time. The first time I poured plain tap water in, and plain tap water came out. The second time I poured plain tap water in, and red came out. The third time, plain tap water in, blue came out. And then the last time, plain tap water in, and nothing came out. So, what do you think that this mysterious box could have inside to produce 4 different results? I'm going to show you one more time the box. Just plain black. The top has a funnel. The bottom has a funnel. I'm going to go ahead and walk around. Nothing special. Just plain black. So how did all of this happen? I want you to record your observations, and I want you to infer what happened. Then I want you to go ahead and draft up an explanation. Your explanation should be sure to include why this happened. So I want to know why. I want proof. So this is what you should be working on next. If you feel like you'd like to watch it one more time, go ahead and replay. And if you have any questions, raise your hand and I'll come by and help.